Hi viewers, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video you will learn about how to add labels to different elements of a document in Latex. In a Latex document, adding labels to different elements of a document is a very important concept that highly eases building your document without introducing any error. So in order to learn about labeling different elements of the document, let's move to the documents first. So you see here I'm using the document class article like I have been using in my previous videos. No additional package for labeling different elements is needed. The same packages which I have been using in my previous documents are sufficient. So let's move how to label equation first. Here I have already written the equation, which is in fact is a matrix, and I want to label this. Labeling equation is very easy. You just need to add the command \label, and inside the argument or inside the curly braces put a unique word, number, or anything else you want to add. It must be unique means it must not be used twice inside a document. So this in fact work as a key, and we call this thing as a key. So here I'm labeling this equation with a key capital E1. This must be noted that the key is case sensitive. So if I use capital E, I must, whenever I want to refer to this equation, I must use capital E. For example, subsequently I want to refer this equation inside my text, and that I can do by adding the key to the argument of reference command. So at this position I want to refer to this equation inside the text, and if I run the documents you will see that that equation is referred to. If you look, this is the equation, and this equation appears and this equation is labeled with 1, and inside the text the Latex refers to the same equation. In the above equation 1, I haven't put 1 inside my document. I have just put the key to the equation, and the Latex automatically put the number of the equation inside the text. Similarly, you can use a key as many times inside the text as you want to refer to that equation. For example, here I write another equation which contains two matrices under the same aligned environment, and I add the key E2. One thing you must note, in the first case I have put the key in the beginning of the align command, and in the second case I put the key here just before to the end command. So this I'm doing intentionally to let you know you can put the label command at right after the begin of align command or just before the end of align command. So that makes no difference. In both cases the equations will be labeled. And one thing more you must note, I have used the key E2. So this must be unique as I told before. So this must be different from the previous key, which is E1 in this case, and here is E2. And now I want to refer these two equations inside the text. So what I do, I'm writing in the text subtracting equation E1. So E1 is the reference key to the first equation from equation E2, where E2 is the reference key to the second equation. If I build a document, these two equations will be referred. At the first position will be put equation 1, and at the second position will be put equation 2. So let's see if I build a document. I have the same thing, subtracting equation 1, which is this equation, from equation 2, which is this equation. So this way you labels your equation. The next thing is how to label different sections. That is also very easy, a straightforward procedure. You put the label command at the end of the section and give a unique key inside the curly brackets. So here I'm using intro as the unique key to section introduction. Now, if I want to refer to this section anywhere inside the document, I'm supposed to put this key in the argument of reference command. For example, at this position, I'm referring to this section. So what I do, I just put the intro, which is a unique key to the introduction section inside the argument of reference command. If I build the document and watch it in the here in section 1 is referred, because the introduction section is labeled with 1 and that number of the section is put inside the text. Okay. Although this is a very easy procedure and you can add a key to any elements of the documents, whether it is a figure, an equation, or section. I hope this short video will help you in building your documents easily without introducing any error of references.